Hello guys, this is your boy Dante. I'm here to show you how can you install Siri in your iPhone 4. Hello.
Hello, Dante.
I love you so much.
I love everyone, especially you.
How's the weather for tomorrow?
It will be chance of showers 45 Fahrenheit.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I love you.
I love everyone, especially you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Do you mind if I tell other people Dante said I soon?
That won't be a problem for me.
Go back to the LSI Foundation and pick the free Alice download the best for your system and create your own chat robot. Maybe you should check out the document .readme too.
What is your name?
I won't speak no more.
Why? Alright guys, goodbye. Alright guys, if you really want to know how to install it, and you have to subscribe, leave a comment, and I will show you how to install Siri in your iPhone 4 for free. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the other video. Peace.